Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Acura MDX. Unleash luxury and power on every road with the 2012 Acura MDX SH, all-wheel drive W/Tech W/Res. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.7-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Acura has less than 142,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Experience power and luxury with the 2012 Acura MDX SH, all-wheel drive W/Tech W/Res. Boasting a 3.7L V6 engine with 300 HP, it's a thrill to drive. Loaded with tech features like navigation, rear-view camera, and rear entertainment system, it ensures convenience and entertainment on every journey. Stay cozy with heated front seats, while enjoying a respectable 16 mpg in the city and 21 on the highway. With a clean Carfax and one owner, it's like buying new. Don't miss out, visit us today. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, moonroof, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.